Caterpillar 950H wheel loader starter system. First, the ignition switch, protected by a fuse making sure too much current doesn't flow through, is turned on, giving power to the transmission control module, which acts as a neutral switch, and when in neutral completes the circuit. P990 acts as ground. The starter relay provides power to the solenoid and powering the starter motor, connecting the battery to the starter, giving it power making it possible for the machine to start, and spinning the flywheel. Always make sure that the battery disconnect is off before trying to start the machine.